1, 2, 3.
I have my baby.
Kasi
Ano? Gusto
Yay!
mo, Mel?
Okay, very good ate. Oh, no, no, hold.
I will baby him.
You want to,
I want to baby him.
you want to feed him?
To
Oh,
baby
mommy, get
him,
that,
Dad.
Zia will gonna feed
he's
Zia.
drinking milk.
Oh, bigay mo yung ulan dito, pare. Ito yung isa. Oh, carry Zia.
Okay. My baby. Oh, my baby.
Ano yung milk?
Ayun. Ayun, sa ano, basket.
He's touching me.
Oh, Zia.
Dad, hold it. I cannot.
You hold it lang like this, oh. Push it. Dito.
Baby pa nagkaroon ng responsibilidad. Si ate. Uy!
It's okay, Zia can handle it.
Ouch.
What ouch?
My fingers.
Okay.